Your family's not even gonna know they're eating healthy when you serve them this chicken Parmesan with zucchini noodles and marinara. You can lose weight and feel great with delicious recipes like the one today on Healthy Cooking with Z. The ingredients include boneless, skinless chicken breasts, almond flour, nutritional yeast. Have you ever cooked with that before? That's a new one on me. Salt, pepper, petite diced tomatoes, oregano, garlic, scallions, and zucchini. The oven is being preheated to 400 degrees, and we're gonna mix our almond flour and this nutritional yeast. When we take a chicken breast, and it just says to season it on both sides with salt, pepper, then we coat it with this. Once all 4 of your chicken breasts are coated, or how many you have, we're gonna pop it in the oven. It's 400 degrees for 12 to 15 minutes. We want the chicken to reach an internal temperature of 165 degrees. While our chicken is baking, we're gonna put tomatoes, the oregano, our garlic, and the chopped scallions in a pan. We're just gonna let these simmer for like 15 to 20 minutes and make our delicious fresh marinara sauce. While our sauce is simmering and our chicken is baking, we're going to do something with our zucchini. And I've got this little veggetti. You can get these pretty inexpensive, like under $20, to make zoodles. If you don't have something like this, no problem. You can just slice or cut the zucchini up. I would think probably something thin would be kind of nice because you're going to steam them, but you want them to cook well. So we just need to have about 4 cups, and that's about 2 medium zucchini. Our sauce is simmering nicely back here. And now we've got some boiling water here so I can steam the zucchini noodles. I'm gonna pop those in there. And let them steam away. These are starting to soften up a bit. Just continue to let them steam. And our sauce continues to simmer back here. And the chicken should be just about done. So we're gonna get the chicken out of the oven. It gets to come out and rest for a little bit while the rest of the things continue to cook. Our noodles are nice and tender, and our sauce is simmered. So hey, it's time to plate it up. Doesn't this look great? It smells great too. Your family's gonna think you've been cooking gourmet. And if you would like to learn more about how you can make great recipes like this, get healthy and lose weight, let's talk. I lost over 130 pounds and I love helping people discover the health and hope that's possible for them. You can go to my website, gethealthywithz.com, or just reach out to me. Thanks so much for joining me for another episode of Healthy Cooking with Z.